I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Affirm purchases can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. Here is how to do it smoothly. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Affirm account. If you haven't created an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once logged in, go to the Payment Methods section in the app. This is where you can manage your cards and payment options. Step 4. Add a new debit card. Select the option to add a new card. Enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review them for accuracy and hit the Save button. You should see a confirmation message once your card is successfully added. If you encounter an error, double-check the card number and expiration date. Now you are all set to use your debit card for Affirm purchases. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy shopping!